Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys some secrets on the Dress to Impress update. So, this skirt here has some toggles. So, how do I make that the same? What? The first one is like the high skirt. And the second one here is this like slit skirt. So there is the high one and not high one. You can also turn the slit off and on. Super cool. Now, where's the top here? I think I've shown it to you guys, but there's this top which you can make it like look dirty, I guess. And then the earrings, I did show it to you guys. These cuff earrings. I need to be bald for this. And I did not know, but there is a necklace here that you can use. Super cool, I guess. But yeah, that is pretty much it. Those are the few of the items that I found that I just found out like now. So I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.